welcome to my channel Creative Space. Firstly, thank you for suggesting that I can start a tutorial for kids. There are so many people out there who wanted me to start very basic drawing for their kids. So here it is. So these tutorials will be on a weekly basis, and I will be taking 2 letters at a time per week, a capital case and a small case for each letter. And the format will be we will draw very basic drawings and basic shapes around it, and then by the end of that we will try to create a short story where the kid can remember, and they will be very excited to draw those letters. So this format I am using for my daughter. My daughter is almost 3 years old, and she has just started drawing basic letters. So A and B. So whatever she can understand and she can relate to, I will be using the same things with you people. I hope that your kids also can use it. See, basic drawing and shapes you can start by the age of 3.5. It depends how your kid can grasp. Then these shapes and these drawings are for the kids from around 3 years of age to 5.5 years of age. Even today, while making greeting cards and making notes for people, we also use basic shapes. So you can really use this anywhere actually. And I hope this really helps you, and this also enhances the memory of the kid. And for me personally, I feel when the kid inculcates drawing skills from a very young age, the handwriting improves. Some kids are really blessed with good handwriting, but for some who are still learning, or who want to improve their handwriting, you can really teach them drawing from a very very young age. So I hope this video helps you. Please watch the video till the end. Subscribe, like, and share it with as many parents as you can. So let's start with the tutorial. Okay, so we start with the letter A. So this is a capital letter A. What else you can do with A? The easiest thing that my daughter can draw is a party hat, which lot of kids can relate to, right? So either you draw this, and if your kid cannot do this, you can simply make the letter A, draw a line like a triangle, and just put some streamers or strings, make a circle, and then probably you can put more lines. So this is a party hat. So the kids can really recognize party hat. So this is fun for them. Okay. Then accordingly you can fill colors in them. Whatever your kid is okay with, and whichever colors they like, please ask your kid to fill colors. So this is capital letter A. Then let's move on to small letter A. So small letter A is this. Now, so there are two things that you can do with small letter A. One is an apricot. Again I will show you. A for an apricot. Okay, if you have a flashcard, you can show them and how an apricot looks like. Okay, so they can relate to it. And A also is for ant. So you can teach them to draw an ant. Okay. A is for apricot and A is for ant. Circle, smiling ant, antenna. Okay, simple. So these are the shapes that you can do with A, capital A and small a. Okay, so let's start with the letter B. So let's start with the capital B. So B for bird. How to draw a bird? Just draw eyes, a beak, a tail, wings, and legs. Okay, you can draw a bird like this. The kids will not get it very properly, but whatever, if they even they are close to it, it's fine. Okay, so this is B for bird. And one more simpler drawing is butterfly. Kids can relate to a butterfly, a basic butterfly. So make them draw this and this. Okay, probably then you can color it accordingly. Okay, this is very basic. Then this is capital B. Now, what about small b? So with small b, B for bat and B for ball, you can have it in one single shape. Okay, so let's draw a bat, a rectangular shape, a small stick. Okay, B for bat and B for ball. Okay, this is bat and ball. Then you can ask them to color the ball red and this as brown or as you wish. Okay, again B, rectangular shape, and ball. You can also ask the kid to have the ball of his or her choice. Okay, now how to really relate A and B in one? Let's do a small story. Okay, so far we have party hat, we have an apricot, we have ant, we have a bird, we have a butterfly, and we have a bat and a ball. So let's create a story. Here I have already made a very basic drawing of a party. So a girl and a boy goes to a party. Okay, I have made a house. This is a table. This is a tree. Okay, this is grass. It's very basic, like so you can if you want you can only draw a boy like this. Probably you can draw a boy like this. Okay, and a girl like this. ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but it's just for kids to relate and to understand. Okay, so now A for party hat. Okay, A से हमने जो बेसिक शेप बनाया है वो party hat. तो party hat कहाँ पे आएगा? The kid can place the party hat on a table, right? So ask the kid to place the party hat here and ask the kid to place it on the boy and the girl's head. Okay, so this will be fun for them, right? आप ये अलग कलर से भी आप कर सकते हैं, इसको पार्टी हैट को आप अलग कलर से भी कर सकते हैं. आप इसको अलग कलर से भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, okay. Then we have small a also. So small a is for apricot. So apricot is orange color. तो अगर the girl and the boy are hungry now, after playing, so they want to eat an apricot. So apricots are kept on the table, so make an apricot. So small a like this and an apricot. एक apricot, दूसरा apricot. Ask the kid to make at least two of the shapes, like two designs of the same alphabet, ताकि उनको वो याद रहे. ठीक है, A हो गया. Now let's start with B. अब B से हमारे पास क्या था? Bird. So B for bird. So the bird is sitting on the branch of the tree. So यहाँ पे मैंने tree draw किया है. So bird कहाँ पे बैठेगा? You have to ask your kid like this. It's sitting on the tree. Okay, here पे. Okay, then you can also make a bird sit here as well. This really enhances their thinking capacity, thinking capability. Okay. B. Now the boy wants to play bat and ball. So let's draw a bat and a ball somewhere here. Okay. So this is small b, right? Bat and ball. So पार्टी है, वहाँ पे पार्टी हैट है, एप्रिकॉट्स है, बैट एंड बॉल है खेलने के लिए. Okay, there is birds chirping. So this is how you can create a story and help them, think and remember the shapes. So this is kind of tutorial or worksheet that you can give to them. I hope you people like this tutorial with 2 letters. I hope for 1 week you can teach your kids to play around these letters. You can of course modify the way you want it. Next week I'll be coming up with another 2 letters, and by the meantime I will also be doing my sketches which I do on regular basis. So please subscribe and like my channel, and take care, stay safe. Thank you.